What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In today's basic hip hop dance combo episode, we're going to learn our third 8 count of our combination. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you'd like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box to apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so today's episode, we will be combining our 8 count with episode 1 through 4, so if you haven't checked those out, be sure to check those ones out before coming to this one. Alright, so let's go from some of those final counts from our second 8 count. So we're going to start with our jump and together. So we're going to start with our jump and together. So this is 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so today we're going to be using what I call the clock method, where we're really just stepping out and then coming back to our center. Okay, so the first 2 I'm going to be using a down groove, second 2 I'm going to use an up groove, which can kind of get confusing, but we'll go through it slowly. So I'm here, my left leg is going to step out. I'm going to go down, come back to center, down, and then down, come back to center. Okay, so nothing fancy there. All I'm doing is I'm stepping in the front twice, going down groove, coming back to center, down groove, down groove, down groove. And again, keeping that constant down groove just to give it a little bit more dancingness versus just stepping and stepping forward. Okay, so I'm here. This goes down, 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 down. Okay, so from here, now I want to try to emphasis an up groove. So I'm going to go down, up, down, up. Okay, so in my head, I'm kind of slowing down my down groove. I'm going down, up, down, up. So also notice that I'm keeping my weight in my center when I'm doing the down, okay? So I'm not stepping out to my sides, I'm actually keeping it in the center and center. So whatever your center leg is, that's where you wanna kinda keep it very, heavy in that leg, okay? So the first 2, stepping away from my center, stepping away. Second 2, staying center, okay? So here we go, so 6, 7, 8, I'm going left, together, right, together, down, up, down, up. Good, let's try it again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going down, 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 up, down, up. Very good. Okay, so last one. I'm going to slow that one down. All I'm going to do is go down and then step up. Okay, so I'm just going down groove to the back. So if I'm stepping back with my left, down, and I'm just going to balance on my right leg and come back to the front. And notice that my body kind of follows my weight instead of just staying center. I'm really trying to put all my weight on that back foot, almost like I'm about to walk forward. Okay, so here we go. So let's go from the top. So 6, 7, 8. This is left, together, right, together, down, up, step, up. Good, yeah. So now let's try to put that together with counts. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so a little tricky, but you are trying to speed up your footwork just for that center part, and then the rest goes back to that full count. Okay, so start on the left. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, speed it up. 5, and 6, and 7, 8. There you go. Let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face it back so you can get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. Let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, left leg first. This is forward, 2, 4, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. All right, so let's try to put that together with our second 8 count. Okay, so starting from our second 8 count. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. New part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so if you have that down, let's try to put it together with your first 8 count. If not, keep practicing that second 8 count to the third 8 count. So from the top, here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Second 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Third 8 count. New 8 count. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face the back so you get a different angle. Let's start from the second 8 count again. So here we go. So 5, 6, second 8 count. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. New 8 count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, let's try it from the very top. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Second, 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Third, 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, also hit that bell notification so you can always be notified when I drop lessons just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this episode. Again, we are just building on top of a giant combination just by taking little chunks, right? So we started with our first episode. We were learning the first A count. We added arms in the second A count. Then we added another A count on the third episode. Fourth, we added some arms. This one now, again, introducing another A count. So if you just take it slow, learn each A count at a time, it makes the whole combination not as intimidating. Okay, so again, you could go back to any of those combinations or A counts, and you could even take it from like a 5 and 6 and then add it on, right? You don't have to start from the very top of that A count. You can start from any position that kind of gives you trouble and then combine it with the new A count you have. All right, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video and make sure you tag at Darren R. Wong. I'll be sure to give you some props, give you some shout outs, and all good stuff. All right, so make sure you like this video and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.